Hey y'all, so we're at our flip project that we haven't started on yet. The address is 1005 East 41st Street. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, just over 1,300 square feet. It is kind of like your quintessential bungalow or cottage, like the Baldwin Park or Ardsley Park area. The trim we are going to paint like a darker sage green. I haven't picked out the color yet. We're going to leave the brick as is, just pressure wash it. And probably my favorite part about the house is this arched front door. So we'll be keeping that, just painting it, probably the same green color. And then inside is actually in really good condition. We just have to refinish the hardwood floors, do some patches, which our hardwood floor guy is awesome. We'll paint the trim a darker color than the walls, which I think is, and the alarm is not off yet. So, original French doors. So there's a set here, and there's also a set leading into the dining room. And then this house has definitely some quirks to it. So this door leads to a bedroom, but we're gonna close all this in. So it's just gonna be a wall. You won't even know that there's a door there because there's an entrance to the bedroom going through the hallway. With the fireplace, we're gonna paint it. I don't know what color yet. And then I found like these 18 by 36 slate tiles that we're gonna redo the hearth with. So, dining room's a really good size. Again, it has the French doors. We'll basically just refinish hardwood floors and paint in here. Yes.
What is that? The picture?
Yeah, so like the picture frame moldings, but I always called her the picture molding. So like back in the old days when like houses had like plaster walls, like you would actually you put your nail in that piece of wood trim and then hang it down like with fishing wire or some kind of wire to the level that you wanted it to be, because you couldn't just nail into the plaster. So the kitchen is a full gut. Yeah, it's kind of gross. So tile floor in here, new cabinets, countertops, appliances. This is a cool feature. I think it used to be like the iron board pull out. But it's almost like they used it for like a spice cabinet. I would love to be able to keep this. I don't know if we are, but maybe we can. And then this is a door that leads to the hallway, so we're going to get rid of this door too. So this will be the only entrance to the kitchen, and the fridge will end up going here. Maybe just one set of cabinets here, like a bottom, a lower and an upper, and then maybe leave this. I'll show you the bedrooms first. So this is that front bedroom that leads into the living room. So again, this will be closed in, so it won't be here. And we're actually going to use this door, reuse this door over here into this closet that the previous owner added. And we'll fix this up so it matches like the trim a little bit better, and we'll close that part up so it'll just look like a wall with a door, not a weird little door, because this is used for HVAC, which I assume this was like the original closet in the house. So yeah, so and a lot of these old houses have like the floor furnace, right? I mean, what do you call it? It's like where the air returns like in the floor.
Yeah.
So this is where that was. So we see this a lot. So we'll patch this better. So our flooring guy will sand it down, figure out what species of wood this is, and then feather it in so it doesn't So you really have no idea that this was even a patch job. Because like right now, all the wood is just like it was cut out and then like a square rectangle box put back in. So the bathroom is so pretty. So in here, I think I'm gonna do the black and white basket weave. And then I have a really cool idea for the tub tile surround. We will keep this tub because you just can't buy these tubs anymore. Like it's super deep cast iron tub. So we'll reglaze that and it'll look brand new. New vanity, obviously. And then this, I consider this the master bedroom just because it's in the back of the house. We are going to get rid of this closet. I think it just takes up too much space. So this will be gone, and this will be the master closet, which is pretty tiny. But if we get rid of this, this gives, you know, the future owner a space to put like a wardrobe or, you know, whatever that they need for more storage instead of an awkward closet. So the laundry was at one point an exterior room. It was not closed in. So the breaker box is out here, remember? So updated breaker box already, which is great. So we will sheetrock where you see the wood, but we'll leave the exposed brick. And I think I'm gonna paint it. I'm not sure. And then we're just gonna paint the concrete floors in here. Yes, the beadboard ceiling. So that was like the old porch ceiling up here. So we'll leave that. We should have to fix that piece of trim. Outside. Don't fall. And then outside, we will add a railing to the back steps. And then, oh look, the piece of board's nailed back. So we thought we were gonna have to do some repair to the neighbor's garage, but it actually looks a lot better. We do obviously have to do a lot of repair to this house's garage, but my plan is to, so that whatever color, like darker sage color of the trim that I pick out, we're gonna paint the entire garage that same color. And we'll have to like pressure wash the roof. I think there's a couple joists we actually even have to replace in there. Just fix her up so she looks better. So yeah, I forgot about the new garage door. So new garage door, I have to replace some joists. Obviously pressure wash it from top to bottom and then paint. That's really it. So pretty. So new HVAC in this one. The roof is newer, so we don't have to replace the roof. So hopefully this will kind of be a quick one. I guess that's it.
Love it.
Me too. Hello, hello.
Hello.